The Compound Effect, Simple English Complete Guide for English Learners. Hello, amazing English learners! Welcome to a very special video. Today we are going to explore a powerful book together, The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. This book can change your life. It is written in simple English, and that's why it's perfect for you. We will spend the next 15 minutes understanding every important idea. We will go slowly, use simple words, and give many examples. You can listen, learn English, and learn how to make your dreams come true. Let's start this journey. Part 1. The Big Idea. What is the compound effect? Chapter 1. The Magic of Small Choices. Life is like a plane flight from New York to Los Angeles. If the pilot changes direction by just 3 degrees at the start, you will land in a completely different city. Small choices are like that 3-degree change. They seem unimportant today, but they decide your future. Example: choosing to watch 10 minutes of English lessons on YouTube every day instead of 10 minutes of funny cat videos. After 1 year, you will have studied for over 60 hours. That is a big change from a small choice. Chapter 2. Consistency is your superpower. Big single actions are not powerful. Small repeated actions are super powerful. This is called consistency. Example: 1. You cannot get strong muscles by lifting a very heavy weight one time. You must lift a small weight many, many times. Example 2. You cannot learn English by studying for 10 hours in one day and then stopping for a month. You must study a little bit every day. Your brain learns with repetition. Key sentence: small, smart choices, plus consistency, plus time, gosh, big difference. Chapter 3. Time is your best friend. The compound effect needs time to work. You must be patient. A seed does not become a tree in one day. It needs water and sun every day for many years. Story. Tell the story of 2 friends. Friend A learns 5 English words every day. Friend B learns no words for 11 months, then tries to learn 1,500 words in the last month. Who will have better English after 1 year? Friend A, because his learning was consistent over time. Activity for viewers. Pause the video. Think of one small thing you can do for your English every day for the next year. Write it down. Part 2. The 3 engines of success. Your habits. Your life today is the result of your habits. Habits are things you do automatically, like brushing your teeth. We will talk about 3 types of habits. Chapter 4. Finding your good habits. The accelerator. These are habits that help you move forward. How to find them? 1. Think about your goal. Example: I want to speak English fluently. 2. What small actions help this goal? Example: listen to an English podcast for 15 minutes daily. Talk to myself in the mirror in English for 5 minutes. 3. The rule: make it so easy you can't say no. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Visual: show a car pedal labeled "Good Habits Making a Car Go Faster." Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English videos. Chapter 5. Finding your bad habits, the breaks. These habits stop your progress. They are often invisible because they are small. Example bad habits for English learners. Always using subtitles in your native language. Being afraid to speak and never practicing. Studying in a noisy place where you can't concentrate. How to find them. For 3 days, write down everything you do. Look for patterns that waste time or energy. Visual. Show a car brake labeled Bad Habits, slowing the car down. Chapter 6. Changing Your Habits. The step-by-step plan. You don't need to change everything at once. That is too difficult. Follow these 3 steps. 1. Choose one small bad habit to eliminate. Example, scrolling on my phone for 1 hour before bed. 2. Choose one small good habit to add. Example, reading 1 page of an easy English book before bed. 3. Use the 21-day rule. Do your new habit for 21 days in a row. After 21 days, it starts to become automatic. Visual. Show a calendar with 21 days getting checked off. Part 3. Your Success Tools Box. Darren Hardy gives us tools to make the compound effect work faster. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English videos. Chapter 7. The Power of Tracking. If you can measure it, you can improve it. Tracking means writing down your progress. How to track? Get a simple calendar. Every day you do your small habit, like 15 minutes of English listening. Put a big red X on that day. Your job is not to break the chain of X's. Why it works? It makes your progress visible. You can see your consistency. It feels good to see a chain of 10, 20, or 50 days. Activity. Show a printable tracker for 30 days of English that viewers can download from the video description. Chapter 8. The Power of Your Influences. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Your environment changes you. Influences are the people you talk to, the books you read, the music you listen to, the YouTube channels you watch, the social media accounts you follow. Action step. Audit your influences. 1. Make a list of your top 5 influences, people, websites, etc. 2. Ask, are they helping me or holding me back? For English learners, good influence. Follow English learning YouTube channels like this one. Join an English speaking club online. Listen to English music. Bad influence. Only watching TV in your native language. Friends who laugh at your English mistakes. Chapter 9. The Power of Acceleration. Sometimes you can add a big push to your small steps to get results faster. Examples of acceleration for English. Immersion. Go to an English-speaking country for 2 weeks. Or create immersion at home. Change your phone language to English. Watch only English movies. Get a coach. Take one-on-one lessons with a teacher. Big commitment. Sign up for an English exam, like TOEFL. The deadline will make you study harder. Visual. Show a graph where small steps create a slow upward line, and an acceleration event makes the line shoot up sharply. Chapter 10. The Power of Accountability. An accountability partner is someone who checks on your progress. You tell them your goal, and you report to them every week. Why it works? We don't like to disappoint people. It gives us an extra reason to keep our promise. How to find one? Ask a friend who also wants to learn English. Or join our channel's online community, link in description, and find a partner there. Script for asking. Hi, friend's name. I am trying to do my small habit every day to improve my English. Can I tell you about my progress every Sunday? You can tell me about your goals too. Part 4. Overcoming challenges on your journey. The path is not always easy. Let's prepare for problems. Chapter 11. The Plateau of Latency. This is the most difficult time. It's when you work hard for weeks or months, but you see no results. You feel like giving up. The truth: results are coming, but they are growing underground like a bamboo tree. A bamboo tree shows no growth for 5 years, but then it grows 90 feet in 6 weeks. Your bamboo moment is coming. What to do? Trust the process. Remember the formula. Keep putting in your small, consistent actions. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Chapter 12. Bouncing back from mistakes. You will miss a day. You will eat junk food instead of studying. You will fail. This is normal. The rule: never miss twice. It's okay to miss one day, but don't let one bad day become 2 bad days, then a bad week. Forgive yourself immediately and get back on track the next day. Visual: show a person stumbling, getting up, and continuing to walk. Chapter 13. Your personal action plan. Let's make your plan right now. 1. My main goal. Example: I want to have a 15-minute conversation in English confidently. 2. My one small daily habit. Example: I will use a language app for 15 minutes daily. 3. My one bad habit to remove. Example: I will not open social media until I finish my 15 minutes of English. 4. My tracking method. I will use the calendar from the description. 5. My accountability partner. I will ask my sister. I will post in the online community. Final summary and motivation. The compound effect is not a secret. It is a principle. It is simple, but it is not easy. It requires patience and belief. Your life will change by the 3-degree rule. Just a small change in your daily direction. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Start today, not tomorrow, not Monday. Today. Your success is built day by day, choice by choice, habit by habit. You can do this. Outro. Thank you for spending this time with me and for working on your English. You are amazing for watching this long video. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more simple English content, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next book summary. Most importantly, share your small step in the comments below. Write, "My small step is this." See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more English videos. Goodbye.